Top 10 RV Park in Rochester. 1. Adventure Bound Camping Resorts Southwoods, 4.7 343 reviews, Townline Rd. 2. Skyline RV Resort, 4.6 311 reviews, Townline Rd. 3. Gravel Ponds Campground, 4.6 259 reviews, NRD. 4. Camp Eastman Kusak Lodge, 4.6 189 reviews, Lakeshore Boulevard. 5. Hamlin Beach State Park, 4.5 3,247 reviews, Hamlin Beach State Park. 6. Red Rock Ponds RV Resort, 4.5 253 reviews, Canal Road. 7. Genesee Country Campground, 4.5 196 reviews, Flint Hill Road. 8. Cherry Grove Campground, 4.5 171 reviews, Ridge Road. 9. Creek Enwood RV Park and Campground, 4.5 67 reviews, Wheeler Station Road. 10. Canandaigua/Rochester KOA Holiday, 4.4 698 reviews, Canandaigua Farmington Townline Rd.